One more lake, then you're saved. 'Tis the season to be gay.
Your dogs are gay.
Can you tell Santa why you might get coal in your stocking? No? Okay. Dear Santa, I can explain, okay? Well, Trouble likes to poopy around the house, even when he goes out for a walk.
It wasn't me.
I plead the fifth. Why I'm getting coal in my stocking.
What'd you get?
Oh.
Came up with a cocktail for nighttime, okay? For a party. It's gonna get you lit, girl, like the Christmas tree outside, you know?
So what's the matter with you?
Happy holidays, everybody. We have an in-studio audience today. Woo! We're doing big things here at Bobby Boy Living. Big things. We have a studio audience. We have more lighting, but not enough. I need to call Mariah's people and be like, I'm an old gay. I need all the lighting I can get. Make me look 21. So it's the holidays, my favorite time of year. Mariah Carey's the queen, I'm the king. But who are we kidding? We're both queens. To celebrate the holidays, Trouble and I, we put on our festive gear. Don't look at my double D's. Trouble's drinking his eggnog. There's a lot of holidays that people celebrate, and I always just say, listen, I celebrate Christmas because I bow down to Mariah Carey. She's my Jesus. Back to business. First thing you need is a glass, darling, okay? A little citrus over here. A little bit of, you know, in LA, we don't get the real snow, okay? What? What is this? Look at that, baby. So that's where you want to start with. This is my drink, so I'm using my hands. If you don't want to, use a little thing, but drink's gonna be on the rocks. 1 shot of vodka. Have you ever had Mr. Black Licor?
It's joyful and triumphant.
Smells so good. Okay, you're gonna do a half a shot of that. Okay, just getting you warmed up, baby.
No, I'm just getting warmed up.
Baby, it's cold outside. If I can sing, I would have so much fun. Just can't carry a tune to save my life.
It's cold outside.
Like, I invent notes, right? It's like, that's what you don't do. Now, a little half and half. The reason why I put half and half, you don't have to. I like the creamy texture. Holiday cocktail, that's gonna remind me of the snow. That's how you know you're basic. Because I like to have fun, I wanna do a little dollop of some vanilla extract. Who doesn't like a little butterscotch? Pour that in, mix it up. There we go. All right, so we're almost done, but I forgot about my secret ingredient. And if that camera follows me, I'm gonna cut your legs off. You got it? You hear me? You heard? Hold on. Whoopsie. Shake, shake, na-na. Now, come on, little.
Merry Christmas.
You might say nothing but a word, okay. Little ruby snow. Oh. You ever seen a peppermint spoon? It's for hot chocolate, but peppermint bark. It was for decoration, but you know what? Jason, we are a little what here at Bobby Boy Living? We're a little...
Insane?
Yeah. Extra, says our audience members.
Extra, extra, read all about it.
So you put a little Ghirardelli squares in this cocktail. This is obviously not something like, you know, a vodka soda, you have about 12 every night.
Wait a minute.
This is like a kind of like a one and done, like prom night. I mean, no.
Oh, no, she didn't.
Oh my God, this is really good. If you enjoy, I'm already drunk. If you enjoy an adult beverage, after you have like a few sips or maybe a few of them, you get a little hungry. Guess what? Now you got a snack. What you want from me? So, now I know what women go through like when they wear their lipstick. It gets everywhere. Trouble, come here. I hope you enjoyed yourself with my little holiday cocktail. Jason, what did we name it?
Filthy animal.
You filthy animal.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Trouble. You're old enough, you're about 82, honey. Anyways, from Trouble and I, let's start this holiday season off right. We're gonna do the baking, we're gonna do the caroling. I'm sorry, I know. And we're just gonna have a merry old gay time. You filthy animals. Ooh. Ready? Which one do you wanna watch tonight? Home Alone, Christmas Vacation, Scrooge, The Grinch? Any of them? Are we gonna have a ho 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 down? No? Okay, we're gonna have a jolly jubilee. Okay, let's go. Bye.